Welcome to Applied Science Online. This is probably what your virtual days will look like, as well as every Monday. So today we're going to talk about claim evidence and reasoning, or CER. So what does CER mean? CER is claim evidence and reasoning. A claim is what you know, evidence is how you support that, and reasoning is why your evidence supports the claim. So what's the whole point? This is how we explain things in science, okay? We need to use the facts, the evidence. This is how to win an argument in science, basically. All right, so a claim is what you know. So a claim is answering a question, all right? So to win an argument, there's usually a question, and the claim is answering that. Evidence is how you know that. Okay, the evidence is your data to support it. And then reasoning is how that makes sense. So that is when you put the evidence and claim together. So the reasoning basically describes why the evidence supports the claim. Okay? Also, during these videos, feel free to pause, rewind. Remember that video we watched of Mr. Patterson explaining how to watch a YouTube video? I will upload that video to Google Classroom for reference. You may also be filling out your Google form during this video. All right. So back to claim evidence and reasoning. So an example, even if you don't want an example, here you go. All right. So we're going to talk about Dora the Explorer. All right. Did you even watch Dora? I watched Dora when I was little. I don't know if that's aging myself. And then I put a picture of Boots because he's obviously the best character. All right. So my claim is that Dora the Explorer is an educational TV show for kids. All right. That is my claim. All right. Next, we go for evidence. Okay. So you usually want to supply several pieces of evidence so your support is solid. All right. It yields more credibility to your claim. The more evidence, the better. One data point of evidence probably won't do your claim justice. Okay, so we're going to go for 2 or more claims of evidence. All right, so the first piece of evidence is that Dora often uses colors and numbers to communicate various pieces of information to her young audience. All right, and if you've never seen Dora, just take my word for it. All right, lots of colors and numbers, which is what helps little kids learn. All right. My second piece of evidence is the show uses simple words in English and Spanish to help unfold the plot. Keyword there is simple, right? Younger kids don't really know big words, okay? So it uses simple words in English and Spanish, all right? Okay, the third is reasoning, all right? So you should have your first question on the Google form answered. If you haven't paused me already, or if you're waiting till the end, that's fine. The second question is a keyword. So if you've made it this far, this is my way of knowing that you have watched this video, because I don't know. I don't think we had as many people watching the video the first time for the fake news as I would have liked. So this is my way of giving you a free point for watching the video. All right, so the keyword is coffee. The answer to question number 2 is coffee because that is what I am drinking right now and it is getting me through the day. It's how to get on my good side is coffee. PSA, pumpkin cold brew is back on the menu. All right, so for the reasoning for this Dora example, you tell me. This is going to be the number 3, hence the big 3, on your Google form, okay? So you will not get this question wrong grade-wise as long as it is a legit try. Keyword legit try, okay? Don't just put some random blurb to get credit. If you actually put in effort to tell me the reasoning of why my evidence supports my claim, all right, you will get credit. This form that goes along with the video that you should be filling out currently is due Monday by 11:59 p.m. I have also included a Google Doc that you can find on Classroom with 2 practice problems. That it should not take long. It's just 2. That is also due Monday by 11:59 p.m. All right, so email me if you have any questions, and I'll see you soon.